Do you have darker neck, darker knuckles, darker elbow, or maybe darker nails? All these could be because of so many reasons that I'm going to discuss in this video, and also give you a very simple yet very powerful remedial action that, if followed religiously and regularly for a certain period of time, can give you a very healthy skin. So let's check out what all needs to be done. Hello to my wonderful people present over here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing amazingly great. If at all you are visiting the channel for the first time, do consider subscribing the channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon. In today's video, I am discussing with all of you a very simple way to actually reduce the melanin production that might be causing the darkening on your skin, any part of your skin. It could be your darker neck, your knuckles, your knees. So you have to be very careful. Understand the video first, understand the ingredients, and then try it out for yourself. Patch test is something that is not going to cause any harm. In fact, it is going to give you more confidence. So go for it first and then start the remedy. First and foremost, I'm discussing certain reasons with all of you that could possibly the cause of the skin darkening. You have to understand the cause so that we can find the perfect remedial action and work towards it. The first and foremost reason could be health issues. All these things, all these changes that happens in our body is actually an indication of what is happening inside the body. The kind of metabolism, the kind of shifts, the kind of changes that is happening inside the body cannot convey it to you directly, but responds by showing these actions, showing these problems. So you need to understand, you need to go for proper healthcare checkups, you must understand your lifestyle, you must be thriving towards achieving a better and a fruitful lifestyle for yourself, and not something that is causing and adding on to the previous problems. So first and foremost is health concern. Second reason could be dead skin accumulation. Now this is a natural process of our body that it sheds away the dead skin and the new skin cells are generated over time. Now what happens is we have to get rid of this dead skin sometimes. It is, the new cells are generating themselves, but the dead skin is over it, on top of it. So what needs to be done? We gently scrub our face, we use loofahs, we use different things to actually, scrub off the dead skin. But some people, they just stand beneath the shower, they just don't wipe their skin properly, and what this causes is it accumulates the dead skin over your areas where you are not very reachable, where you do not strive to reach. So please make sure that you gently scrub off your skin thoroughly, every single place, even behind your neck, and use the towel properly so that you scrub off the dead skin, even if you have not used some loofah or anything. So all these small practices actually gets rid of the dead skin and do not allow any kind of discoloration, pigmentation, any sort of velvety texture appearing on your skin. Third reason could be skin disorders. Now you really have to be very vigilant. When is something dead skin accumulation and when is it a skin disorder? Skin disorders sometimes are very silent, very subtle. You do not feel the pain, you do not feel the cracks, you do not feel any bleeding, but it is still a disorder that needs medical attention. So when you see any problem being persistent on your skin for a longer duration of time, it is time to go to the dermatologist and find the exact reason why is it happening and how to cure it. Once you understand the concern, you'll be able to fix it, because there are n number of skin disorders that are happening these days. So you really have to be vigilant and alert for your skin health. And number 4 could be injury marks. Now it's very simple and we all know it very well that as children we fall off, we tend to get marks and we just forget about that. But as we grow old, as we grow adult, we tend to see that as a problem. We want to get rid of it. It becomes, the pigmentation becomes stubborn and it's not that curable. So you really need to understand that as and when you get some sort of marks on the body, you start working towards it. Whatever discoloration is there, you have to be friendly with it. Do not look into it as one of the problems in your life. You have to accept certain marks as part of your growth and do not see everything else as a problem, as pigmentation, as something that needs medical attention and you have to get rid of it. So please understand that skin injuries can be cured to a certain extent. The discoloration is going to be there and you have to be friendly with it. You have to be positive about it. Number 5 could be pigmentation. Now, pigmentation is real. Sunburn is real. Sun damage is absolutely there. So, you have to make sure that if your skin is not very comfortable about sun exposure, so you have to wear sunscreen. As simple as that. There is no other alternative. You cannot wear castor oil on your skin for sure. So, the only remedial action that can be done over here would be using a good sunscreen. If your body is also not tolerant about the sun, please wear a good body lotion that has a good SPF in it, and also wear sunscreen on your face for sure. Last but definitely not the least could be contraceptive pills. If at all you are taking any kind of contraception medication, that is one of the reasons that it has very different side effects for different people. And one of the side effects could be darkening of your skin at certain parts, not completely, but yes, it could be pigmentation, it could be some sort of darkening in certain part of your area. So that is curable only when you stop that, or maybe you take some other additional medication alongside, so that the side effects are kept aside. So that you have to go and check with your gynecologist and then decide. Now, talking about the remedial action that you have to do every single day for your darker skin, you have to be very, very regular and religious while doing this remedial action, because in one application the dead and the stubborn mark is not going to go. So you have to do it every single day, exactly the way I'm going to discuss it with you. The step number 1 is going to be cleaning that area, but this is not going to be a gentle cleansing. It has to be kind of exfoliation. For this, you will be requiring 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Now, this is something known. It is like universally accepted truth that this is a substitute of soap. This is a substitute of so many different cleansers available in the market. You just have to dilute it with water, or maybe rose water, or maybe curd, whatever you are comfortable, and gently massage the darker area. I am demonstrating the elbows. You can use it wherever you want to use it. Gently clean that area, and this is not only cleansing, this is exfoliating as well. You are gently rubbing off the stubborn darkness, the stubborn skin, the stubborn problem to get away from your skin, and gently in circular motion you massage your skin. Once you're convinced that you have worked well and you have gently massaged the area properly, you are going to wipe clean that area, and we are going to go and do the second step. For step number 2, you're going to prepare a mask for the pigmented area of your skin. For this, you're going to require some ingredients which are going to lighten, brighten, and actually give life to your skin. In a bowl, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of oats powder. It's very simple. You need to take normal oats, grind it at home, and the powder is ready. So you're going to take 1 tablespoon of oats powder. Into it will go 1 tablespoon or maybe 1 to 2 tablespoon of curd. Now, curd is something that has lactic acid. It is going to actually exfoliate the skin, make the dead skin disappear, and lighten the pigmented area. Also, you're going to add approximately 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. That is like you eat, you put it in your chow mein. That is the soy sauce that you're using. Mix it well thoroughly so that there is no lump. There is absolutely a uniform consistency of the mask. And at last, you're going to add approximately 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice. You can take a complete juice from half a lemon, absolutely fine, but who are scared, who are not very comfortable about it, few drops of it would also work. Mix it well and apply a thick layer of this mask on the affected area, around your neck, anywhere you're using it, and let it be for approximately 5 to 15 minutes, whatever time you have. This much time is sufficient for the mask to actually work on the skin and give you the the glow, the kind of cleansing, the kind of exfoliating in that area, and you'll be really happy. Once you are done with the mask, wipe clean the area and put a good moisturizer on the knees or maybe at the back of the neck. Of course, why not? This is the problem, because we tend to think certain areas of the body do not require moisturization. It is naturally and normally like that. Please don't do it. Once you see some sort of problem, at least then pay a little bit more attention to that area. So moisturize that area very, very, very thoroughly. And also, once the moisturization is done, let it be for 5 to 10 minutes and then apply sunscreen. What are you talking, Prerna? Like sunscreen at the back of the neck or maybe on your elbows and knees? Yes. So this is the very point that I really want you all to understand, that sun rays do not need to be directly on your skin to cause the damage. The UV radiation without even going into the sun can cause damage to your skin. So you have to apply sunscreen to all the areas that are, problematic at this point of time. Apply good thick layer of sunscreen on the area and let it be. And now you can go around with your daily chores. You are done with the remedial action for the day. And again, the very next day, you're going to repeat everything. And this is how you're going to be, doing it for at least 1 month to actually see a visible difference. You can click your before, you can click your after and send it to me as well to show our family what magic you have done for yourself. This is one of its kind. The only thing that you require is discipline and the willingness to do this. Once you are convinced that you are going to do it, I promise you nothing can stop you from fixing that problem. So all the very best, trying it out for yourself, and once you get the results, let us know as well. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take really good care of yourself and know for sure you are very special.